Concrete fiberglass pool. We were planning on painting and putting in new concrete around our pool. It was empty for this reason. It rained really bad when the pool was empty and our pool came out of the ground 4 feet at the deep end. Part of the concrete floor bottom cracked, but it's still holding water. We decided at this time to just fill it in and took down some of the fiberglass walls. My question, is there any way to build back fiberglass walls or tear down the fiberglass walls and add steel to concrete walls to try to save this pool if possible?
Well, that's a fairly loaded question with a lot of possibilities. At this point, you either abandon completely, tear out completely and redo, or tear out and not redo. I don't think that there's any possible way of modifying any of that. It sounds like an all kinds of problems type of scenario. You're better off money-wise and value-wise to start over or to be done with it, one of the two. I'd never recommend being done with it because that's taking pool work away from people who I believe in, which are pool people. But I think that unless there's something really salvageable there, which as many times as I've seen it, there's not that much salvageable left. You're better off tearing out and redoing or tearing out and filling in.